usually wear glasses, but I still can't figure out how to get my light to shine in such a way that it's not distracting from all of the talking that I'm going to do. I'm also getting over like a month-long cold. I can't seem to shake it. I take it that you probably have seen kind of popping up all over social media these like sneak peeks of like really nice photos I've taken of me dicking around with a bunch of sewing stuff. That's because I have been working towards making a YouTube channel. Have you ever seen a costume on TV or in a movie or in an anime? Because let's be real, and you thought, man, I'd love to make something like that. The only thing is that you kind of get in your own way. You don't know how to sew, or if you do sew, you're kind of intimidated by the process of actually putting together a whole outfit and dedicating a lot of time to making sure that it gets done. I am also you. I get in my way all the time. I'm just like inundated with lots of feelings of insecurity and like I'm not good enough to do that stuff. Last year, I took on a project that I still kind of feel like I have no business doing because I started watching Outlander and I now have a problem. I wanted to make an 18th century dress as accurate as possible to the time. I started this project last year and I started a small Facebook group to kind of keep myself accountable, sewing myself out of depression. I suffer from depression and anxiety pretty much on the regular, and my idea was that if I could get other people interested in it, it would give me the drive to actually push through and do it. So there's a lot of things about this project that make me a little intimidated because there's some things that I learned way back in high school when I first started to learn how to sew. I actually took a fashions and design class for 3 out of the 4 years of high school. So I have to reteach myself a lot of stuff. The mock-up of the first stage of this project is completely done. Now it's just a matter of actually buying the good fabric and actually sitting down, making sure it looks nice. Through my travels on the internet, I found that there's actually a really wide group of people who also have the same issues I do. You have to kind of reteach yourself a lot of stuff or familiarize yourself again with terminology and equipment and stuff like that. But I want to try to take everybody on this journey with me, but at the same time also teaching people the very basic stuff. Like if you ever wanted to learn how to sew, it's really easy. It can be really intimidating because you're handling a whole new piece of machinery and you have no idea what the fuck you're doing. My whole point of doing this is teaching people how to sew, helping people kind of get over that hump of, I'm not good enough to do it. I don't have enough talent. I don't have enough know-how. Because you can teach yourself all the things you need to do to make really amazing costumes for LARPing and cosplay, or just like any reason you want to, really, because you can do it. You can do whatever you want. You just have to get over that one wall that tells us that we don't have it in us to really do something really big and exciting. So that's what Bumblebunch is, teaching people how to sew at the very base level, but I'm also trying to elevate it to really building up confidence and really driving home that you can do anything that you put your mind to. It's not going to be perfect the first time. You're going to see me fuck up like at least... Let me try that again. Is in my toolbox? Oh shit. Don't know what I'm doing. A lot. Stay tuned. I have a couple of videos that are going up that are already finished that, by the way, aren't recorded yet. The time this drops, there's going to be some videos to kind of like get you in the groove of the instructional portion of the video channel. But then there's also going to be some vlogs that just, you know, if you're interested in what I do when I'm not in front of a camera. I also have 2 antique sewing machines that are in near perfect working condition that I'm going to be talking a lot about because that's really exciting. And I think that there are a lot of people who might like it. So in the event that you are into this endeavor, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And, you know, if you see any videos that you might like to see extended on, or if you see something that you'd like me to try, just comment on the videos below and I'll see what I can do. Well, thanks so much for checking out my channel. I hope that you guys like it. Tell your friends, tell your family, follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I also have a Facebook page. So I'll catch you on the flip side.